Welcome to a culinary journey across Southeast Asia. Today we explore Srikaya, Indonesia's cherished custard-like spread. Rich and aromatic, Srikaya is a luscious blend of coconut milk, eggs, sugar, and pandan leaves. Its distinctive green hue and fragrant aroma are a testament to the freshness of pandan leaves used. The preparation involves a careful blend of these ingredients, cooked to a smooth, velvety consistency. The result is a flavorful spread, loved for its unique taste and versatility. From a delightful topping on toasted bread, pancakes, or steamed buns, to a key ingredient in traditional Indonesian desserts like kue lapis and dadar gulung, Srikaya is a testament to the region's diverse food culture. So the next time you're seeking a culinary adventure, consider Srikaya. Experience the blend of sweetness, aromatic coconut goodness, and the subtle earthy flavor of pandan leaves. A true taste of Indonesia right on your plate. Until next time, bon appetit.